Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to return Shein items, easy step-by-step tutorial. So first of all, log in with your account and of course click on me right here. And as you can see, you're going to see the shipped item right here. And basically what you're going to do, you're going to be able right here to see 3 dots next to the item, right? And then you're going to just go ahead and click repurchase or return this item. And basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna follow along the steps, and then it says right here the order has passed the return time frame and cannot be returned. But if it was in the shipping, in the processing period, you're gonna be able to click the 3 dots next to the next to the product, and then click return item, and you're gonna select the reason why you want to return that item, and then they're gonna give it to you in a matter of 1 to 5 days, all right, to be refunded. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.